Most realtors miss this hidden secret that developers use to value every single property, a critical metric that can unlock massive potential for your clients. It's called floor space ratio, or FSR. You might also see it as floor area ratio, or FAR. They're the exact same powerful concept. FSR is a simple formula. The FSR multiplied by the size of the lot equals total buildable area. It dictates the maximum buildable density allowed by local zoning regulations. Imagine a 10,000 square foot lot. An FSR of 1.0 allows for a 10,000 square foot building, but an FSR of 2.0 allows for a 20,000 square foot building on that same piece of land. That's double the potential, double the value. Higher FSR equals higher land value. That's why developers pay a premium for these lots. More buildable area means more potential profit. Smart realtors use this to spot hidden gold mines, like an old house on a lot zoned for much more. Always check the local zoning code for the FSR. Master FSR analysis and other land use courses at domainstitute.com.